Once those screws are out, what you need to do is you need to just get a hammer or a mallet or something and tap on it from the back or the front, and it's going to come loose. All right. You can do it all the way around, whatever. Here we go. Do you mind holding this for me? Now it should just come up. Here we go, old one. Oof. All right, now it's time for the new one. Check her out. Courtesy of eBay. I think I'm gonna try to find the link in the description and get it. All right, now what we need to do is we need to match up the what's it called, the threads right here to this right here. So you want to do it with these two. All right, that's the way it was. So we try to come in and get it to fit. Right? Let me see. Front driver's side. I think it's backwards then. Let me see. Because unless it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. There we go. No. They match up. Now Amazon provided well, I went online and I bought these two. It's a set of 8 right here. They're brand new Honda brake caliper screws. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on and get back with you.